we have some put 3-4 for you guys this morning, so let's get into that. Okay, Tom. Oh my, someone has 2,000. Who's Cuzzy? Cuzzy. It's quite a funny name. Having fun at. Thunder. Come on, bro. Can you come out your box? This guy's camping. Tom, I sneaked up behind you. Oh. Oh my days, can I edit please? Oh my days, bro. This kid's stealing my kills. I just got 1 point. Sure. Oh. Cracked? I cracked it by. Oh my. Oh my days, bro. Let's go. Oh my days, can I do it? I clapped you. Is that his name? Did. Oh my days. Oh, the problem is LMG. Wait. Get clapped. Oh my days, this guy moved. Come on. Oh. I hit this guy for 60. Hit him for 60. No, come back here, bro. I just stunned upon someone. I just stole someone's skill. Who's the skull trooper? The booger skin. It's a really good skin. Oh my days. Bro. Ruin yourself here. 27? No, I have to reload. Tom. Tom. Oh, the Prowler LMG me. 5 minutes. Okay, cool. Oh, and the Thunder Panther's child. Oh, come on. No. Spray them. Nah, bro. Yo, I just got one bullet in the face. Yeah, but I just got one pump in the absolute noggin. Oh, what a snipe. What a snipe, bro. Oh, big bump. I have 126 ping. I'm the Creed skin, bro. If you have you watched the Creed movies? Aw, you should. Oh my days. I'm getting clapped. Oh my days, bro. That guy headed to the stand and he still died. He boxed me and he still died. How is that guy died? Oh my, what is this kid camping in a brick box doing? Oh my days. Come here. Oh my days. I should have. That's fair. Dead. Or they could. Oh, what a snipe! They could probably they'll probably bring a new shotgun. Bro, I just dogged on the skull trooper. Thunder palm. Oh. Oh my, where's my? This one sprays like crazy. My Sloan, bro. Cracked. Dead. Kill the Sloan. Easy claps. Oh my, Tom. Tom. Oh my, I can't believe I missed that. Oh, sorry, Tom. Nah, I missed and you blanked me. Oh my. Oh my, why are so many kids in my box? I just got clapped. I just got absolutely clapped. Thank you for watching the video. That's all it is. Goodbye.